Welcome everyone to Professional DevOps Learning Channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning all about Linux commands. Linux commands. In CLI terms, a directory is a container for files in another directory. It's essentially a folder that helps keep your files organized, and your system organized. VI functions as a Linux command. VI or Vim creates and adds content as well as modifies the file. In the VI file, type I on the keyboard to insert mode to make changes. Then you press escape key on the keyboard to enter command mode. In this command mode, you cannot type directly in a file. Escape key plus colon WQ exclamation mark is to save the file and quit. Or you can press shift plus ZZ. Escape key plus colon Q exclamation mark is to quit without saving. Now, let's put this in practical. Now that we're done with the definitions, we're going to do the practical. Let's go to our instance. Let's copy our instance ID. Or if we've already done that, we'll just go to mobile xterm. And let's VI into a file. Let's say we want to VI into wallpaper.txt. Now we are inside wallpaper.txt. We should press the I on the keyboard to enter text within the file directly. For example, I want to correct this error I made. I'll just type a P. There we go, we've edited it. Now we can write whatever we want. Wallpapers are optional. Now let's say I want to save this and exit the file. I'll press ESC on the keyboard to enter command mode. Then I'll press colon, there it is, WQ exclamation mark, and I press enter, and there I am. I exited. Now let's do cat to see if my changes have been altered or are there no changes inside. There we see our wallpaper and our changes are there. See, we've added these changes. Now keep making spell errors, so let's VI back into the file. Oh yeah, I'm not even in insert mode. There we have it. Now, to quickly exit it, we'll press Shift Z. And there it is. We're outside of the file already. Now let's see if our changes have been saved. Our changes are now been saved. Now we have no spell errors in our file. Now let's say we want to edit the file, but we don't want to keep the changes. Let's VI into the file. Let's add insert mode. Let's add Scooby-Doo. Now let's say I don't want to keep these changes. I'll just do colon and Q underscore. Now let's see if our changes have been saved or not. No, our changes are not there. Scooby-Doo does not exist. So it means quitting without saving is a go. We've tested all the commands inside, and now we'll see you in the next video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video as you continue on your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Louise. Bye bye!